Okay, students. So you must have seen in the previous video what is subset, what is superset, what is proper subset, and what is universal set, what is complement of set. And now in this part of the video, we'll go a little ahead and we will going to learn few things. Something called as what is union of two sets, a union. फिर हम लोग पढ़ेंगे intersection, and then we will learn what is difference of the two sets. So these are like very important concepts of this particular topic, difference of two sets. So it is generally denoted as like this way. You will see some symbols like this way: A union B. Intersection means A intersection B, and difference means you're going to find something as A minus B. Are you getting it? So you'll have to see very carefully what kind of these symbols are, and this symbol have some meaning. Now what is that meaning? Let me give you with one example. Let's say okay, now you might get somewhere confused, sir. U stand for universal set, U stand for union. तो U को कुछ ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया गया है ये सेट चैप्टर में. Yes, ऐसे लग सकता है आपको. So let's say some universal set is given as say 1 2 3 4 and 5. Suppose ये universal set है. Now set A is given as something as let's say example as 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. So and set B is given as, हमको set B भी कुछ दिया है, let's say that is as 2 3 and 5. Okay, now we're supposed to find what is A union B. So what will be A union B? So first of all, we'll copy paste the elements of set A, that is 1 2 and 3, and then we will going to see the elements of set B. But we'll have to remember that student, we cannot repeat the elements, isn't it? हमने पहले वाले हमारे वीडियो में देखा था कि like in the set chapter, the elements what we write in the sets we do not repeat. It's like say 1 2 3 already written, so 2 3 once again लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So only 5 will go to come. That is union of set A and B. Are you understanding, guys, how to write the union? Now what is the next is A intersection B. What is intersection means? What is common between the set A and B? Set A is 1 2 3, set B is 2 3 5. So what is common in these two sets? That is obvious. That is obviously elements 2 and 3. That is common in these two sets. So that is called as intersection part. Now what is A minus B? What is A minus B? So that is called as difference. So from set A, remove the elements of set B. So set B के element क्या क्या है? 2 है, हटा दो. 3 है, हटा दो. 5 है क्या? नहीं है. So we cannot remove that. So only set 1 would be, element 1 would be A minus B. I hope you all are understanding. Okay, let's say what will be B minus A. So from set B, remove the elements of set A. See, understand, A minus B and B minus A is different. From set A, removed B. And now we are removing from set B, removing the elements of set A. So from B में से 2 हटा देंगे, 3 हटा देंगे, तो बाकी क्या बचेगा? 5 बाकी बचा रहेगा. Are you understanding? So that is set B minus A. Now, if someone want to find what is A complement, so how are you going to find A complement? Simple. Okay, this is just a revision of previous video, guys. Okay, so what is A complement? From the universal set, remove the elements of set A. That is 1, 2, 3. हटा दो, बाकी बचेगा सिर्फ 4 and 5. Are you understanding? That is A complement. What will be B complement? What will be the B complement? Guys, I hope you are writing along with me. I am teaching you all this very quickly and very nicely, and you all are enjoying. Please keep writing. So what is B complement? From the universal set, remove the elements of set B. So 2, 3 and 5 हटा देंगे तो बाकी बचेगा 1 and 4. So वो है 1 and 4. Now what is A complement intersection B complement? What is A complement intersection B complement? So simple, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले A complement ढूंढेंगे, फिर B complement ढूंढेंगे, फिर इन दोनों में से कॉमन चीज क्या है? वो है element 4. Are you understanding? So what is A complement minus B complement, guys? What is A complement minus B complement? Simple. From set A complement, remove the elements of B complement. So बाकी क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ 5. सिर्फ and सिर्फ 5. You understood, guys? So क्या B minus A and A complement minus B complement is same? Yes. B minus A is same as A complement minus B complement. See, look at this. That is set 5 and set 5. Okay, यहाँ पर कुछ distributive laws भी है which I'll just explain to you all, and then I'll explain to in a while. So what is A distributive law? A union B intersection C क्या बनेगा? A union B in one bracket intersection with A union C, या फिर vice versa A intersection B union C क्या बनेंगे? A intersection B, देखो ये जो intersection है over the B, and union क्या बनेगा? A intersection over the C. A intersection over the C. So इसको बोलते हैं distributive law of sets. इसको बोलते हैं distributive law of sets. I'll just give the example in a while. Distributive law of sets. I hope you all are understanding. Everything you've understood perfectly, isn't it? So first of all, I'll just take a quick recap. We've learned something called as union. We learned something called as intersection, and we learned something called as difference. So A union B क्या है? So A intersection B क्या है? And A minus B क्या है? I hope you have understood all these three things very nicely. Hold on, guys.